Think about how much effort you have to make by hand to carry out so many operations. With Magic Automa, only one. One click, and that's it. One click. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you 3 DaVinci Resolve operations reduced to a single button. No tricks. At the end, I'll even show you what's inside. First, the punch-in, the classic zoom cut in interviews. I select the clip, press the button. Watch the inspector. It opens on its own, sets the zoom to 120% done. Here's what matters. This is not a keyboard shortcut. Magic Automa is driving DaVinci's interface the way your hand would, just 10 times faster. Another clip, another click. Now imagine a 40-minute interview. Second, organizing your timeline with colors. Normally, it's right-click, clip color, pick from the list, every single time. Here, I click the clip, press the button, orange. Birol, blue button. I'm marking the timeline as fast as I can read it. It's the kind of housekeeping you skip because it costs 20 minutes. This way it costs 20 seconds. Third, my favorite, surgical trimming. This button cuts exactly 5 frames from the head of the clip and closes the gap. A precise ripple trim, identical every time, no zooming into the timeline to hit the right spot. There's a twin button for the tail. If you cut to music, you know what this is worth. So what's behind it? No magic. Every button is a macro, a list of actions you can open, read, and edit. These 3 come from a free package you download with the app, along with dozens more. And what you've seen is just the start. In the DaVinci series, we build macros for the inspector, the menus, effects, and cutting rhythm, one per video. The playlist link is below, and Magic Automa is a free download at magicautoma.com. See you there.